show you how to take roll in this virtual setting. First thing you are going to do is go to the single chair. That will put you on single day. You're going to hit this toggle. You'll see it says group by track. You'll hit on, and now you'll see that you have a track A, a track B, and a track C. Track A are the students who will be here Monday and Tuesday. Track B are the students that will be here Thursday and Friday. And track C are the ones who opted to continue to stay virtual. In order to take roll, if somebody in student A is supposed to be on campus but is not and shows up to your class virtually, you can click virtually present. As you look through the options, you can see all of the options that are available, absent and tardy, for each student. You'll fill out this form for every single session that you have for that day.